Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today we are going to be doing my evening cleaning routine. I recently did my morning cleaning routine and I will link that above, and so I'm going to follow that up with my evening routine. It's pretty much the same thing every single evening. Obviously I will add some things, and some things I'm lucky enough to not have to do, but generally this is the routine every night. So I am already in my pajamas and I'm actually whitening my teeth. That is what that crazy thing in my mouth is. I am solo tonight, so I go ahead and do everything I need to do for me before I start this process, because when I'm done, I'm going to be putting the boys to bed, and I am always so tired after laying with them for a minute that I always kind of forget about taking care of the stuff for me, so I do it first. That is one of my little tips. If you're solo in the evening, take care of you, mama, then start your cleaning, then put your kids to bed, because we all know we are too tired after we lay with them and read the books and do that whole routine. The system I'm using is White with Style, and I really like it because I was able to pick the flavor of bleaching gel, which I've never seen that before. I chose Bubble Mint and it is actually pretty good, and the main thing is it doesn't make my teeth sensitive at all. You guys know I love my coffees and my teas, but it is not great for my teeth, and so I try to do this regularly to keep a really white smile. If this sounds like something that you would be interested in looking into, I'm going to have my code right here, LynnWhite, and I'll have all of the details in my description box. So the kitchen is almost done. I did the dishes, I loaded the dishwasher, and now I'm going to focus on the sink, since ideally, in a perfect world, and you moms know exactly what I'm talking about, in a perfect world, the kitchen is going to be closed, right? I can clean my sink. It's super satisfying, oh so relaxing, and nobody's going to come in here. Everything's going to be sparkling until the next morning. Well, we all know that's very rare, because is it just me, or are your kids hungry in like 30 minutes after you've made dinner? It is maddening, but I am going to have my dreams and have my goals and go ahead and scrub this sink like nobody's coming in here for 8 hours. Can I get an amen? I am using the Barkeeper's Friend, sorry y'all, and I can never get that right, and I like this stuff a lot. However, chalky stuff and powdery stuff, oh, it makes me cringe. Look at my adorable kitty sponge holder. I know I'm quirky, but I love it. Hey, we need to embrace the weird. So I got done cleaning the sink. I'd rather my other cleansers. I like the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser, and I know that the Barkeeper's Friend has a cleanser, but I'm so cheap, I'm going to go ahead and use this stuff and cringe my way all the way until the end of that bottle. I'm using my favorite granite and stone cleaner. This is the Wyman brand. I got it from Target, and it is by far the best spray I have ever used for my granite and stone. And y'all, this is not sponsored, I promise, but it is. Oh my gosh, you want to see my 90s? Bomb.com. So much of my evening routine, just like my morning routine and so many little cleanings throughout the day, is just me basically putting things back in their place. You saw Liam going and putting his homework back in his backpack, so we are ready for the next day. And I am taking Transformers, a marker, and something else, and putting it in the playroom in its proper home. In the evening, I will always have my Scentsy going. I really do not like the smell of food in my house, so I am burning, I think it's apple cinnamon sticks right now, and it's perfect for fall. Then I hop into my office. I really like to get to this room every single evening because when I'm working, I can sometimes just get in the zone and make a mess, especially if I've had the vinyl cutter out, which I have. And so I'm going to put everything back in order because when I come in here in the morning, I do not want to have a mess when I'm wanting to start working. This is also where we have all of the kids' backpacks and lunch boxes, and I'm going to go take the lunch boxes and put them back in the kitchen, hang everything up, and make it look tidy. And as you saw, I put my pumpkins on the shelf. Those are the ones I did on my DIY channel. They turned out so cute. Here is my favorite room in the house. You guys know this was the dreaded front room, but now it has purpose, and it is basically Mommy's sitting room and a really nice playroom. The kids have really enjoyed this room as well. So moms, if you guys are kind of on the fence about making a room for yourself or making it pretty and you want to keep it really super kid friendly, you can actually combine it. You can have it kid friendly. I've got their stuff on the other side of the wall, and then I've got my stuff, and I can tell you this, and this is the honest truth, they are in here so much more now that it's pretty. I'm heading into my bathroom, and I'm just going to tidy it up, clean off the countertops, wipe them down. Nothing special. I'm just using a rag and some warm water, and going to clean the sink out a little bit and just make it look nice. Chris is working late tonight, so when he comes in here to take a shower, I do want it to look clean. I think it's important. He doesn't care. It doesn't matter to him. But for me personally, I like a tidy home, and it would make me feel really good if I was working all day to come home and take a bath in a really clean bathroom. So this is a little area that I made with my IKEA bookshelves. I have all of my cleaning supplies on the wall as well as my hair supplies, and it is a lifesaver. A big tip that I have is have cleaning supplies in each bathroom. Just get a little caddy, some wipes, toilet bowl cleaner, and some counter spray, and maybe some rags. And that way when you're in the bathroom and you're ready to clean, everything is right there. This is Chris's laundry here, and I will take all of his shirts and lay them flat, then get however many hangers I need and start putting it away. This is a really great way to start start hanging clothes up quickly. Amanda from This Crazy Life blog also does this, and it makes putting away clothes so much quicker. On to the boys' room. You guys know, as if you've been with me for a while, I will always clean my little boys' room before I put them to bed. I clean it or tidy it up during the day, but if there's any laundry or toys out, I will have them help me for the sake of this video and honestly, they're in their underwear because my boys don't like to keep clothes on. Let me know if your kids are the same way. They can't be on camera. So I'm just going to come in here and tidy this up and put away all their clothes. But usually in the evening, I will have them help me with this entire process. You will see me, I am actually talking to my older kids. They're in the hallway and they are making fun of me. So they're picking on me. You'll see my oldest son, who is 14, come and give me a hug because they love to pick on their mama. The same process I do for our clothes, I do for the little boys' clothes. I've got Josiah's clothes in one pile and I have Noah's on the other side, and I'll put their clothes away. This is just the most effective way to hang up a lot of clothes at once. So I have already put the kids to bed. I had to stop what I was doing, put them to bed, and I'm going to vacuum. The vacuum is not very loud. I have it on the low speed, and I'm going to go ahead and do the main areas of the house. I will also take care of any of the areas around the bar stool and obviously in the main walkway areas. Every time I see this room, when I walk by it or on camera, I just fall in love with it more and more. It is so bright in here compared to what it was. The board and batten just totally transforms this room. Hey, won't you stay a little bit longer? I've been doing laundry all day, and I've mentioned in other videos I need to do one load a day. If I don't, and I am just being lazy or things are going on, yes, there are days where I am just lazy, or we're just really busy. It definitely, it piles up. This is my face of like, oh my gosh, I really want to finish it. I've been telling myself that if I start laundry, I have to finish, and finishing it means it has to be folded and put away. However, since the boys are already in bed, I'm just going to go ahead and fold it, put it in their basket, and have them put it away before school the next morning. It will be alright if you just let me show you that I can do better, and I apologize. Miss Willow decided to join the fun. She saw Ruby up here and figured, and you guys, if you've been with me for a while, she loves to hop up here whenever I'm doing laundry. She is so big and fluffy. I love her. I am going to finish the rest of this laundry and then put it out in the living room for the boys to put away the next morning. If you guys enjoyed this video or want to see more videos like these, could you make sure you give it a thumbs up? It helps my channel out a ton. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what you want to see. I am going to finish putting all this laundry in the basket, and Miss Ruby wants to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button and notification bell before you go. It would make her so happy. I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.